Being a privileged young man, I do not dream of becoming a successful engineer, educator, being thankful of having supportive parents. I would want them to be proud of me someday. At my early age, I dreamt of becoming President of the Republic of the Philippines. I'm dreaming to make our country a great one nation, a great one among nations. With the help of my great mind and skills, I will produce lots of money. I will be earning many money. And I will be the richest person of all living. With the use of my money, I change the Philippines. I will improve its structure. I will make solar highways and improve provide more electricity in our country. I will also improve our sewage system, avoid floods and landslides. I will enhance the power or ability of our military people by engaging them to more intensive training and upgrading their guns and mobiles. And also, as an engineer, I will be improving our technology. And I will be inventing gadgets that are exclusive only to our country. But even though our country is high, I will ensure that this country will remain an eco-friendly country. Our country will have lots of different trees that can benefit us all. I will be requiring every individual, including kids, to plant and take care of their own plants, a minimum of 3 per head. As for the machines that we will be using, I will not allow fuel-operated or any substances that are hazardous to people and nature. Instead, I will be inventing machines that are run by alternative powers, like hydroelectric power, which doesn't emit harmful substances or chemicals. But that's not only my dream. As a man, I also dream of having a happy family someday. With my wife, we will be producing intelligent, handsome, and beautiful boys and girls. We will be taking care of them as we life. We will guide them to be God-fearing, humble, and a kind citizen of our country. So that's my dream. You had your dream. I had a perfect dream. But that's life. Dreams are free. At what kamikaze said, there's no ambisyosa.
Ambisyosa? Ambisyosa?
Siyempre lang mangarap. Every people have freedom, privilege, and the right to dream a simple or even an impossible dream. Just make sure we will not be living in our dreams. And that even though our dreams are built beyond, we will do our best to pursue and be successful in every way we can. So help me, guys.